Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix new SSD not showing up in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and by that, you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to type for disk mgmt msc. Again, type for disk mgmt.msc and click on OK to continue. If the Windows cannot find your disk mgmt.msc, don't worry, you just have to close this window. And here at the start icon, please do a right click and go with disk management. Okay, so here at the disk management window, you just have to wait until everything would be ready here. Where here you need to select your SSD, your new SSD. Please do a right click and go with new simple volume. And in this window, you need to go with next to proceed and select next once again and try to change the drive letter of your SSD. Okay. So I will change that into letter F and click on next. And here you need to leave this volume label into new volume. Leave on that. Okay, and click on next. Go with finished and wait until it will be ready here. Okay, now it's here. Okay, it's showing healthy primary partition. Okay, now you have just successfully fixed your problem. Okay. So close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.